letters or items, either in ascending or descending order. Is that okay? So look at here, we are supposed to arrange them alphabetically from A to Z. Is that okay? So using our own thinking, which name do you think will come first when you are sorting it? Khadija. Come again. A. Which name? A. Okay, very good. So we have Annie is going to come first. Is that okay? Then the second name, let's look here. Which second name? Very good. Then the third name, we are sorting is from A to Z.
David.
David, very good. The next name?
Jack.
Jack, okay. The next name?
Sarah.
And the last name?
Sarah.
Very good, okay? But then we are going to use our Excel to do the sorting. Okay? I said Excel is used for what? Organizing our data. So we are going to organize this, which is our data. Are you okay? So the first thing we need to do is to select this. So click here, everybody click on first name, the second one. Have we? Can I continue?
Yeah.
So when you click on it, you are going to have this what? Symbol over there.
I've done that.
Did we all get it?
Yeah.
Can I continue?
Yeah.
Very good. Then when we look at our home toolbar, we can see salt and filter over here. We can see A to Z symbol. Can we all see? And look at what we did. Did it sort it?
Yeah.
Did it sort? Did it change it?
Yeah.
Well, it's starting from A, then it's ending at Z. So that is ascending order. Click on the first name. That is David. Let's click on it. Okay, so because the first one we click on the first name, that means anything you click and you select is going to be sorted. But we only want to sort names. Is that okay? So you first need to find the first name. But then you're not supposed to click on the what? On the label. This is called a label, a title. You're not supposed to click on it. You're supposed to click on the first name. Then let's select the names again. And now let's sort it. I taught you how to sort, so sort it yourself. Ascending order, everybody.
Yeah.
I taught you. Did it work?
Yeah.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Very good. Now let's go and use this one and sort it into descending order. I taught you how to sort. So now let's sort this one into descending order. Descending order. So you do it yourself.
I did it.
Okay, I'm coming to check.
I did it.
That's good.
I finished. I did it.
Very good. So I'm coming to check.
Done.